Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Indices Watch. In today's video, as always, we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ100 and the S&P500 price charts. Before I start today's video, I just want to start by saying an apology for not posting any videos on my YouTube channel yesterday. That was due to the fact I was flying from Dubai back to the UK for Christmas, so of course I didn't have any Wi-Fi. So during today's video, we're going to quickly cover what happened yesterday and of course what I believe will happen going into this week. Let's start this video on an extremely positive note. Yesterday, that bounce that we saw yesterday during the trading session was incredibly positive. I think it was last Thursday we had a bounce in the markets, and I did say that this could potentially mark the bottom due to the fact we closed out near those session highs. But unfortunately, I was wrong. On Friday, the volatility returned and we had that massive snapback. And of course, as the old saying goes, don't try and catch a falling knife going into the weekend. And that's exactly what we didn't do. But the good news is yesterday we did have a fantastic trading session, not just in the NASDAQ100, but also in the S&P500. We finished up near those session highs. But more importantly, we have gone on to have, well, of course, the session hasn't actually started yet, and it hasn't therefore finished. But at this moment in time, the pre-markets are looking incredibly bullish. And this is something that I was looking for. This is something I mentioned to my private Telegram group chat and streaming service yesterday, that I was really looking for a bullish trading session going into Tuesday. And that's exactly what we are currently seeing. So hopefully going into the close of today's trading session, we can finish near these highs. And if we do, okay, and I'm not saying that we definitely will, especially at this moment in time, but if we were to go and close out near these session highs, because currently we have the NASDAQ100 up 1.77%, that's a huge gain, and of course the S&P500 up 1.26%. But if we get these closed within, a touching distance of the session highs, that to me would then indicate that we have in fact gone and bottomed last week. That is as bad as it gets short term, and over on the NASDAQ 100, this area here just below the 50-day EMA, that would tell me that that is the bottom for the short term here for both markets, and that will indicate a continuation of a move back towards the upside, especially considering that we are in one of the most bullish time periods of the year for the stock market. From now all the way through until the end of January, historically is a very bullish time for the market. So this is very encouraging to see. I really do like the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 at this moment in time. Myself and the rest of the team here on our private Telegram Signal chat currently have trades open in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. Both of them are trading very nicely in profit. And of course, I post more in-depth videos over on the streaming service where I do explain those exit plans. So I'm going to leave a video at the end of this video today, which will explain the instructions as to how you can become part of our group and streaming service, which we charge a very small fee of $19.99. But anyway, I'll let myself explain that later on. But back to the point, the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 looking incredibly bullish at this moment in time. And I do anticipate us to return. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have two subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.